We need a quick and easy meal for tonight. I'm pretty hungry, but I want it healthy. So I have chosen the easy, healthy salmon sheet pan dinner. You are going to love this. We want to start with a medium-sized bowl. The small carrots, I've cut them in half. It's about a cup. I'm going to take radishes. I have a mixed variety of radishes here, and I've cut those in half, and that's a little over a cup. Now then, I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. And let's mix that up. We want to remember to preheat our oven to 425. Now I'm going to put our carrots and radishes onto our baking dish. I should have put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That second one is for our sugar snap peas later. I will save it. It's in the bottom of the bowl. So let's spread these out. And we're going to want to cook these for 15 minutes in the top third of the oven. Now I have 2 4-ounce fillets of salmon, and I'm going to pat those dry. And set those aside. I'm going to make my sauce next in a small bowl. Let's put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. About a teaspoon of honey. I'll probably just put about a half a teaspoon. I don't care for a lot of sugar. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A dash of sriracha sauce. Now let's whisk that together. Okay, let's set that aside. Meanwhile, I've got about a cup and 2/3 of sugar snap peas. I have cut the ends off, pulled the strings off, and cut them in half. Let's put them in the rest of that olive oil that's in our bowl. So if I had followed with my instructions, I would have put, there's another string I want off of there. I would have put 1 tablespoon in for the first vegetables and the second tablespoon in for the second vegetables. Now let's add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic that have been chopped. And stir those in with our sugar snap peas. I have removed my vegetables from the oven. They've been in there 15 minutes. And now I'm going to put my garlic and sugar snap peas in. And let's get all that good garlic in there. And let's stir these. And let's return these to the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. I have taken my vegetables out of the oven after 5 minutes. My carrots were getting a little more done than the radishes, but the radishes look good. So now then I'm going to put my salmon on top in the center. And I'm going to take my sauce or glaze, whichever you want to call it, I'll put that on my salmon. Okay, now let's put some fresh ground pepper on all of it. And some salt. Okay, let's return this to the oven for 10 minutes or until the salmon fillets are flaky. Okay, our salmon is flaky. It's been in there for 10 minutes and it looks delicious. What an easy glazed salmon sheet pan dinner. Let's plate it up. Look at this beautiful dinner. Easy and delicious sheet pan glazed salmon dinner. Enjoy.